Saved some items on the Temu app but not sure where to find them? Here's how you can easily access your wishlist. Open the Temu app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen to access your profile. Under Profile Settings, find the Wishlist option. Click on it. Then, tap on the Wishlist option again. Here, you'll find all the items you've saved so far. Scroll through your wishlist to view all the products you've added. If you want to purchase an item from your wishlist, just tap on it to open the product page and click on the Go to Cart button. And that's it! Now you can easily find and manage your saved items on Temu. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.